Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about adjective clause. Did you know adjective clause? Okay, so it's just very so before we learn about this subject or this material, I wanna ask you, what social problems do you know?
Traffic accident.
Okay. And then what problems happen in big cities?
Traffic accident.
Okay, this is the kind of social problems. So social problems consist of poverty, violence, pollution, crime, and education inequality. Okay, this is the picture that I showed on this screen. So poverty is the social problems that the people don't need can't meet the basic needs that necessary on the basis. And then unemployment is the social problems that the factor that make the job. And then pollution and crime and education inequality. Okay, this is a vocabulary. So you have to know about this vocabulary: poverty, kemiskinan, employment, pengangguran, pollution, crime, kejahatan, and the last education inequality, ketidaksetaraan pendidikan. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue this material about adjective clause. Actually, adjective clause have many relative pronouns, but I choose this just 3 relative pronouns: who, which, and that. Okay, adjective clause is a subordinate clause which functions to explain or provide additional information about the noun in a sentence. Because its functions like an adjective, it is called an adjective clause. Jadi adjective clause itu adalah anak kalimat yang berfungsi untuk menjelaskan atau memberi informasi tambahan tentang noun dalam sebuah kalimat. Karena fungsinya seperti adjektif, maka disebutlah dengan adjective clause. The characteristic of adjective clause, ciri-cirinya. Just like other clauses, adjective clause have a compile subject and verb. And then adjective clause are always judged by the relative pronouns who, which, and that. Jadi ya sama seperti clause lainnya, adjective clause itu memiliki subjek dan verb yang lengkap. Dan adjective clause itu selalu didahului dengan relative pronouns who, whom, whose, that, and this. Jadi di materi ini kita hanya memilih relative pronounnya hanya 3 saja, ya. Who, which, sama that. Okay, the functions of adjective clause. Number 1, provides additional information about a person or thing. Memberi informasi tambahan tentang orang ataupun benda. Jadi untuk memperjelas sentence sebelumnya gitu ya. And the second, explain or clarify a noun. Jadi menjelaskan atau memperjelas noun. And the third, menggabungkan, combine two sentence into one more effective sentence. Jadi kita itu menggabungkan 2 kalimat ya menjadi 1 kalimat yang lebih efektif. Oke, untuk relative pronoun yang pertama, about who itu untuk menanyakan orang. For example, this is a formula specifically person. And then who, verb, and complements. What the functions? Who digunakan untuk menjelaskan orang lain. For example, the people who live in poverty need support. Jadi orang-orang yang hidup dalam kemiskinan membutuhkan bantuan. Okay, this is incorrect. The people which live in poverty need support. Did you know why this sentence is incorrect? Please give me your reason. Why this is incorrect? Okay, so we should use who. Okay. And then the next relative pronouns is which. Which itu untuk menanyakan benda ataupun hal. This is a formula. Nouns in specifically is thing, which, verb, and complement. What functions? Which digunakan untuk menjelaskan benda, ide, ataupun fenomena. For example, poverty which affects many families is a serious social problem. Jadi kalau diartikan itu artinya kemiskinan yang mempengaruhi banyak keluarga dalam masalah sosial yang serius. Okay, this is incorrect. Poverty who affects many families is a serious social problem. Do you know why this sentence is incorrect?
Because who.
Okay, so we should use okay, the next relative pronoun is that. Dan untuk menanyakan orang ataupun benda. Rumusnya, noun itu bisa person or thing, that, verb, and complements. What is functions? Functions that bisa digunakan untuk orang maupun benda dalam defining adjective clause. For example, correct. Schools that lack resources cannot provide quality education. Yang artinya sekolah yang kekurangan sumber daya tidak dapat memberikan pendidikan berkualitas. Jadi ini adalah yang disebut dengan adjective clause. Yang kekurangan sumber daya, ini adjective clause ini. Okay, incorrect. Schools who lack resources cannot provide quality education. Why is this sentence incorrect?
Who.
Okay, because the sentence use who, so we should use
That.
Okay, this for example as contoh gabungan kalimat ya. Kalimat awal, the girl is my friend, and then she is wearing a red dress. Jadi this is there are two sentences that will be compiled or arranged to become one sentence like that. Jadi the girl who is wearing a red dress is my friend. This sentence that I put this sentence is adjective clause. Who is wearing a red dress? Nah, yang who is wearing a red dress ini adalah adjective clause, tambahan, kalimat tambahan. Nah, dimana itu didapat dari kalimat yang kedua. The girl is my friend. Jadi isinya itu diganti menjadi who. Yang mana situ yang dimaksud adalah the girl. Okay, this is social problems using the adjective clause. Main clause, poverty is a serious social problem. Subclause, okay, this is sentence that will be adjective clause that affects many families in big cities. Combined sentence become poverty is a serious social problem that affects many families in big cities. Jadi itu yang dimaksud adalah yang poverty-nya itu. Okay, main clause. Many people face financial difficulties. Subclause-nya they lose their jobs. Combined sentence, many people who lose their jobs face financial difficulties. So we have to use the book when this sentence using many people, menggunakan orang, makanya kita menggunakan who. Main class. Okay, pollution is an environmental problem that damages the air and water. Combined sentence become pollution is an environmental problem which damages the air and water. So, which-nya itu didapat dari if atau pollution gitu ya. And crime is a serious issue in many cities. And then subclassnya itu it makes people feel unsafe. Crime is a serious issue that makes people feel unsafe in many cities. Okay, the last example. When class some students struggle to get good education, and then the subclass they come from poor families. Combined sentence become some students who come from poor families struggle to get good education. Okay, the next agenda is activity. But you do this my worksheet. Okay, so I give you the worksheet. Please do this worksheet dalam bentuk kelompok ya, ada 4 kelompok. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. Okay, I divide you this worksheet. Okay, you get this assignment. Time is yours. Tidak aja apa? Okay, time is up, and then please give me your paper that you have done this paper. Ini paper. Okay, so now you are going to do this word quiz. Okay. Okay, I will send you this link of word. Okay, this link has been sent by me in your group. Please open this link and then do this assignment. Okay, ya, mengerjakan workbook ya, yang quiz lah. Okay. How much score did you get? Six. Okay. Okay. I think enough for this activity today. I hope you can understand this on this material. Okay. Okay, let's read reciting Alhamdulillah together.